Hi, I'm Paula Snow with eXp Realty. Welcome to Adams Homes 2402 square foot floor plan. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom plan with a separate office. It's got a beautiful front porch and a covered back porch. Let's go check it out. So coming into the home, it's got this space here, which would be like the formal dining room space. And then immediately to the other side, it's got the office space. So this office space does come with French doors for privacy. So if you are working, you can always close the French doors. Some people have turned this into a formal living room, a playroom, or could be an office. So living room, nice and spacious and large. And then over here, you've got a cozy breakfast nook and opens up to the kitchen. So in this plan, you're seeing quartz counters, you're seeing the painted cabinets. The builder does provide the stove, the microwave, and the dishwasher, but the fridge, washer, dryer do not come included. So fridge would go right over in here. And cool thing about this floor plan that I really like is that it's got this little guest suite area. Let me hit the lights to brighten it up a bit. And so I love if you have company, then you can put them over here in this bedroom. And then they've got their own bathroom just outside of their bedroom. So separated from everybody else, gives you a little bit of privacy. Laundry room and garage area through there. And then the master is on one side of the house, and it is quite a large bedroom. And the nice thing about this master is that it does have a door going out to the back porch area. The master bathroom has 2 closets. As you can see, it's got a soaking tub, shower, and a water closet there. And then the vanities are separated in this floor plan. So you've got the 2 vanities there, and then you've got 2 walk-in closets. So there's one walk-in closet, and this one I would say is just a tad bit smaller. And let's go check out the other bedrooms. So these 2 bedrooms are off of the kitchen. There's one of the bedrooms. Other bedroom here. This closet here is a linen closet. And then these 2 bedrooms would share this bathroom, which cool thing about this bathroom is that it's right off of the back porch. So if you ended up adding a pool, then it makes it real quick and easy for guests to access a bathroom. And then this is a 1/4 acre lot. So just keep in mind, all of the lot sizes are going to vary from neighborhood to neighborhood, but this way, this one gives you an idea of what a 1/4 acre looks like. If you have questions about this home or any other new construction home, feel free to call, text, email us anytime. I will put all of our contact info down below. If you have questions about this home or any other new construction home, feel free to call, text, email us anytime. I will put all of our contact info down below. I have owned multiple new construction homes. I do love new construction homes, and I would love to help you if that is what you are looking for. Thanks so much for joining and for watching with us today.